All right, for question 70, we want to rewrite this inequality into kind of a slope-intercept form. So we want to get a y by itself. To do that, we'll subtract 2x from both sides. It's going to give us 3y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 12. And now we'll divide both sides by 3. That's going to give us y is less than or equal to negative 2/3 x plus 4. Now what we want to do is graph this. So we can do a little table of x and y, and the intercepts are usually the most helpful. So we want to know what's the y-intercept and what's the x-intercept. So we can plug in x equals 0, that's going to give us y equals 4. And then when we plug in y equals 0, it's going to give us negative 2/3 x plus 4. So we'll take away 4 from both sides. And, sorry, I lost my train of thought. So now we'll multiply, we can multiply both sides by 3. It's going to give us a negative 12 here equals negative 2x. And then we can divide both sides by negative 2. That's going to give us x equals 6. So now we can graph this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our y-intercept was at the point 0, 4. And our x-intercept was at 6, 0. And now we can draw our line. Because this is in inequality, we want to keep going. This right here is the line negative 2/3 x plus 4. It's saying that we want to include that line when it has a greater than or less than or equal to. Then the equal to means keep this line. If it only said less than, then we would want to do a dashed line. We'd want to keep this dashed to indicate that none of the points on that line are solutions, but we need that line as kind of a boundary. In this case, it's not, it's inclusive. It's negative, oops, sorry about that. It's negative less than or greater than, sorry, less than or equal to. So we're going to keep this a solid line, and then it's saying we want y values that are less than that line. So y values less than that line are going to be going this way. So y value 5, 4, 3, 2, oh sorry, this was a 4. 3, 2, 1, 0, and into the negatives. We want all of those values. So we're going to shade in this entire area down here, and that's going to be our solution set. What that means is that any point you pick here, if you were to plug that point in back into your equation, it's going to be true. That point is less than or equal to negative 2/3 x plus 4. So absolutely any point that you pick inside here is going to still make this statement true. So that's what we want here. I hope that helps. If not, definitely shoot me another email and I can see if I can explain this in a different way.